to Sounds channel, Easy Way to Learn Phonetics, Part 3. In this video, you are going to learn consonant sounds. On this topic, I have made 2 videos. You are watching Part 2. Please watch. Consonant sounds. Under this, we are learning about these points: English consonants and IPA consonants, consonant clusters, digraphs, and trigraphs. Let me explain the first point: the English consonants and the IPA consonants. What's the difference and why do we need them? As you all know, there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Already we have learnt about 5 vowels in our previous video, and remaining 21 letters are called consonants. In English, there are 21 consonants but 24 consonant sounds. So, to indicate these 24 sounds, we have IPA letters or phonetic symbols. This is IPA consonant chart. Unlike Indian languages, in English, these letters are pronounced without vowel sound. For example, let us take any Indian language. We'll take Hindi as it is widely spoken. In Hindi, if you take the letter Ka, we write it K plus A. This mark is called halant. If halant is added to any letter, it is pronounced without A sound. To write Ka in English, we use K and A. Its phonetic transcription is K and A, which means Ka. So, K is pronounced without A sound. It applies to all the consonants in IPA. Now, let's read these sounds with examples. K as in king, carrot. G, girl, anger. Ch, match, chocolate. J, joker, gem. You need to note this point. C and G are used in soft and hard sounds. For example, soft C words receive, circle and cylinder. Hard C words call, colt, curd. Soft G words jump, giant, gym. Hard G words are gasp, girl and gum. Let's come back to the sounds. T as in tap, elephant. D, dog, maid. Th, thick, something. This, within. N, net, sunflower. P as in parrot, cap. B, ball, ambulance. F, fish, leaf. V, van, violet. M, man, name. Y as in young and lawyer. R, ring, frog. L, lock, file. V, watch, queen. Just observe here, it is V, not like V in van. S as in eyes, lost. Sh, she, education. Z, eyes, zero. J, television, confusion. H as in hat, pothole. Ng, penguin, running. N and G together form ng. If you observe these 2 letters, K is voiceless and G is voiced. What is voiced letter? When you say the letter, if you feel vibration in your throat, it is called voiced letter. Voiceless and voiced. Like that, we have 8 consonant pairs. Let us have a look. K, G, Ch, J, T, D, T, D, P, B, F, V, S, Z, Sh, J. These are consonant pairs. Remaining are single consonants. K, P, T. These letters are called aspirated letters because when we articulate these letters, we leave puff of air. You just try K, P, T, right? So, when there is a stress in the syllable, they are aspirated, and we are using these 3 with aspiration and without aspiration. For example, in pot, P is aspirated. In spot, it is not. In cat, k sound is aspirated, but not in Scotch. In team, t is aspirated, but not in twist. Thanks for watching. Please watch our next video on consonant sounds, part B.